Hi, this is Noah at screenprintexchange.com. This tutorial is about IR panels, how to troubleshoot them, how to repair them, and what to look for. Okay, so I typically like to buy conveyor dryers or IR panels that have easy access to the wire terminals. Often you will have to take out the entire IR panel to repair them. So try to buy a dryer that has easy access. Okay, so let's test this unit. Okay, we'll use our $10 tester for continuity. So first we'll go to terminal. This is where the wires go to the IR panels. And it turns red. That means we have good continuity. It means there's no breaks in the IR panel wiring or heating element that goes all the way through this panel. Okay, so now we'll go wire to wire and see if there is continuity there. There's no continuity. That means we have a short somewhere. So let's test black. Let's see if the black wire has a break in it. It doesn't. Let's check if the white one has a break in it. No, it doesn't have a break in it. Let's go white to the lug. Nothing. So we have a short somewhere. And we want to do all this with the electricity off first. Okay, so this wire got overheated and then it wiggled out. Often this will turn blue or brittle or black. You need to use high temp wire. If you want to replace it, you can buy it at McMaster. I will put a link to it. And you also need to use a high temp connector. I'll give the link for that as well. And this is very hard to crimp. So if you have a heavy duty crimper, do that because it's super sturdy. Do not use a typical non-high heat one. And when you connect these lugs are very hard to disconnect, so you have to be very careful and use the appropriate bolts, the hardware. I recommend using stainless steel. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to put one of these high temp connectors back on and crimp it and reconnect it. So we're just going to do that. Well, we'll just put it to the old one. And we'll check continuity again. Let's see if it works. So we'll go from here to here. Okay, we got continuity, but as we won't get continuity if the wire is shaking and all the motors are on and such. So, okay, so that's the typical problem with these dryers. You should often look at these, make sure that the wires aren't getting brittle. Right here is your thermocouple, where you put it, and it often has a quartz glass insert first, and then you place the thermocouple. So make sure that if you replace your thermocouple, that the quartz glass is still there and not broken. You'll have to replace it. Please subscribe to my videos, and if you want to post free equipment classifieds, go to screenprintexchange.com. Thank you.